Okay, for 28, they want us to solve 27b, right? They want us to solve this one, but they want us to use the quadratic formula, right? So a is 3, b is 17, and c is negative 6, right? X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we get x equals negative 17 plus or minus, 17 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 6 all over 2 times 3. So this gives us x equals negative 17 plus or minus, right? 17 squared is 289 plus 24 times 3, 24 times 3, 60, 72 over 6, right? So we have x equals negative 17. Okay, plus or minus, right? 289 plus 72, that's 361, right? All over 6. So I'm going to come up here, right? So we get x equals negative 17 plus or minus square root of 361 is 19, right? Over 6. So that means x equals negative 17 plus 19 over 6. And x equals negative 17 minus 19 over 6. So negative 17 plus 19 is 2, 6. So x equals 1/3. And this one, negative 17 minus 19, is negative 36 over 6, which is negative 6. So we get negative 6 and positive 1/3. And it says, is the answer the same as it was when you did it by factoring? And yes, it was. That's the exact answer we got. And clearly it has to be because we're solving the same equation.